It's been a bruising Saturday afternoon in the mountains of southern France. Rallye Monte-Carlo, one of the first to come unstuck. That off-road excursion and crunching impact through the ditch, terminally damaging his suspension. With no Rally 2 restart rules on the final day in Monte Carlo, it will be nil point for the Finn in round one. And devastatingly, it is the same story for Chris Meeke, who had been one of the stars of the opening round. The second-place Brit first ran wide in the snow on stage 12, but worse was to follow. This crunching impact with a rock ripping off his sump guard and causing irreparable damage to his gearbox. Up at the front, meanwhile, with Meeke out, it had left Monty master Sébastien Ogier en route to a third successive victory in this historic event. The local star defying the inclement conditions to survive Saturday's stages. And a good day too for Hyundai. The teething troubles with the new i20 from Friday behind them, their pace has improved. Thierry Neuville winning the final two stages of the day and into the podium positions. At the end of the penultimate day then, Ogier's lead stands at almost 2 minutes with Mikkelsen now second and Thierry Neuville up to third.